Hi guys! If you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm really glad to have you. And if you're returning, well, you know, that conversation I have with myself is never ending. I don't get any answers back. That's a lie. I do answer myself back. But anyhow, this is one of the new subscriptions that I found, and it's a little bit more makeup heavy so that we can experiment and play like little girls that we used to be. Just because we're old don't mean we can't play. Anyhow, this is Eyescream, and it's spelled E-Y-E, Scream. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? But anyhow, this is more gimmicky. And when you open it, it looks like this. And I guess these are the dissolvable, yeah, these are the dissolvable peanuts. You know, you can put them in water, but not me, because I'll put them out in the landfill and then they can just water it that way. And you get this card. Let me see here, okay? This is what it says. Got to get my old lady glasses out. Okay, this tells you what's in it. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I ordered this and the bag, and I didn't get the bag yet. So I'm assuming, I think I got a letter that had been to the post office or whatever. And I think it said December's had already, or January's has already been sent. So this is December's box. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and do this one. And then I will go and when I get the other one, I'll do it with my ear fleet that I got sitting up there and a couple other little things I got sitting up there that aren't enough for a whole video. In case you're wondering, I'm trying to get all this crap out from underneath these peanuts. Okay, so this is what we got. What's the first item? Okay. Okay. I have no idea. Okay, we'll start with this one. We'll start with this. This is makeup blenders, which is really cute for Christmas, don't you think? They make a little snowflake all together. Let's see if I can get this one open. Oh, I can get it open. I got my scissors right here. Yes, we can get it open today. Oh, Mama ain't playing today. Oh, now look at that. Wouldn't that have been so cute if they'd have been on here? But no, they're soft. But yeah, you just get 6 little beauty blenders. And they're made by BaseBlue. That's what it says. Oh, look. It would have made a little ornament. That's cute. And the value of that was... Hold on, people. Gotta get my old people glasses out. What? Oh, here it is. That was $11. And I can see that. That seems like a fair price, you know, especially at the holidays. They always want a little bit, you know, a little bit more. The next thing we have is Skin Spector Pore Camouflaging Primer by So Susan. And this is $26. Primer is so expensive. And I know most of us don't. Let's be honest. Us old folks, we never use primer. We use concealer. And it comes in a little bottle like this. So it's a small bottle. Oh, it's you. It's supposed to like hide your pores so that your face can accept your makeup better. So I'm learning. I have been looking some of this stuff up to find out what it's supposed to be for. That's kind of soft. It was kind of soft, but I don't know that I don't know that I would pay that much for it. Let's see. What did I say it was? Yeah, $26. It's soft, but I don't think I'd pay that for it. I really don't. I hate to be hateful like that, but alright, no I don't. I really don't hate being hateful. I'm honest. Okay, then we got BaseBlue IVF Collection lipstick, and this is $21. 10% of proceeds from the sale of the IVF Collection will benefit fertility within reach. I guess it's so poor people can have test tube babies too. I guess. I kind of think you can't afford to make them, you probably can't afford to feed them. But who am I to judge? I just think there's just so many babies that could stand a good home, and you know, it's just a shame. Oops, oops, it fell. You see, look, it looks like a little test tube, like at the doctors when they draw your blood. It's probably because the, you know, whole test tube baby thing. I could only have one. I didn't think I'd be able to have that one, but here he is all these years later, still torturing the world, so I did it, Mama. I did it. Who knew he was going to grow up to blow up things? He's in the Army. He's supposed to be blowing up things. Let me put that over there. Okay. The next oh, and by the way, in this box, it is, I believe it's only like $24. It's cheaper than the other ones, and you're guaranteed to get at least one palette in every box, and I think every bag, and the bag is really cheap. And I will post on the page how much they are, but it was a lot cheaper, and yeah, it doesn't say on here. I thought it might, but it didn't. Okay, then we have Peppermint Mocha Ruby May palette, and it's $29 value. And some are pretty expensive. And since I'm going to be going to see my grandchildren, I will be taking quite a few palettes with me so they can go through them. Well, that's pretty cute. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh my gosh. I look a fright. I look a fright. I went through the drive-in looking like this. Okay, this has a mirror on it, but I wanted you to see this part. It says beautiful instead of, you know, beautiful, brutiful. I'm assuming it's a play on mocha, peppermint mocha. And this is the colors. Ooh, they look velvety. I'm going to do one pass. Those are the top three with one pass. I want to check out this gold. And the red in the middle. Here's the gold. And the red in the middle. Look at that. I don't know how I'm going to do these other ones because... See if I can do it. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I did green, green, and gold. Those are the bottom three. Green, green, and gold. So they're very pigmented, and I would assume they're buildable. I love that copper. I really do love that copper. Very, very pretty. I don't know if I'm going to take that down south. I don't think so. Because bless their little hearts. Then the last thing we get is, let's see what this is. This is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Glowing Palette. Palette Illuminatrix. I don't know what else that. I don't know what the rest of that means. And I know the last one they had a Jim Charles, you know, and I assume it was before all the, you know, escapades, but oh, this is pretty. It has a mirror, as you can see, and then I'll hold it down. That's the bottom ones. See, they're kind of taped down. And that's the top ones. So it's kind of like contour palette, I believe. Let's see what the value of that one is. It's probably pretty pricey. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's $50. Yeah, I can see that with that one. It's very pretty. Yep, I might be keeping that one too. Sorry, kids. Santa Claus said you were bad, and I'd go by that. Hey, you're not my favorite anymore. We got great grandbabies. So what'd you think of this one? Now this was, yeah, I'm thinking this was only like $25 delivered. Now it had 2 palettes in it. It had the beauty blenders. It had the nudie lip gloss, and oh, it had the primer. I think that's probably the best deal that we've seen as far as makeup. You know, I mean, Ipsy and BoxyCharm, all they seem to want to give us is more and more stuff to keep us from getting wrinkled. Well, I'm thinking I'm going to keep the BoxyCharm, and then I'm going to keep this one, and of course, you know, the FabFitFun and the All True and stuff like that. But in the meantime, we'll look for a few more. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if there's anything here that, you know, because where I'm making so many changes, feel free to comment, give your opinion. Let me know what you'd like to see. And no, it can't be beat my grandchildren on YouTube, because they frown on that. I wouldn't beat them anyway, but because they're all bigger than me now. So if you like what you see here, feel free to subscribe. Come back, join us. We're lonely all by ourselves. Bye. You're done. You're done.